Today it's Wednesday, December 27, 2023, and I have to go home. Have a good night. I'm just joking. I have to go home actually. Before I go home, let's see what I received from the machine shop. Before opening the box, I received the valve seals. Okay. And this is for the other cylinder head. So this, you're gonna go inside of the box and inside of this nylon, and then in the box over there. All right. Then here I have the valve guides. These are the old valve guides. Back to the owner. And now let's open the box to see what we're gonna find inside. Splendid, beautiful. I'm gonna repeat myself. This will gonna be, I have repeated myself 10 times till now, maybe even more than 10 times. Okay, what I said, first welding this crack that had here the cylinder head, that they already did it, they already welded from outside and from inside. Okay. I said actually from inside only, no need from outside, only from inside. It's okay, it is what it is. I said first welding it, then see that's nice and true the cover here up, this surface here, that no need anything, to resurface or something. Then fix the guides, beautiful, excellent, amazing. So we have 2 out of 4, all right? Then I said, resurface the exhaust side because it has some dents here, has a long tube headers, and they have removed it and installed it how many times. So I said resurface the exhaust side in both heads, and then finally resurface here. But here it's not being resurfaced. Obviously, it's not being resurfaced. So we have 2 out of 4. We have 50% the job. We do have 50% of the job. And now I need to send it back again at the machine shop. And yeah, okay, all right. Send it back again at the machine shop to resurface the exhaust side and then resurface this side here. The combustion side, the combustion chamber side. And I said that how many times I have to repeat myself. Let me open also this one just in case. Maybe they resurfaced this one and this one they didn't do nothing. They put only the guides and they welded. Hey, so here they put only the guides and they didn't do anything else. Well, let's open it, just out of curiosity. So yeah, I'm gonna go home. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna replace, we're gonna make one comparison, the old one versus the new one. Then we're gonna put in a nylon bag here and then in the box, back to the owner, and then the cylinder heads, guess what? Cylinder heads, back again at the machine shop. So in 2024, I'm gonna receive it back, after a year. Hey, give me a second also to open that one, just in case. It's gonna be the same. This, they just put the guides and they send it back. So no resurface. And this one, they put the guides and they weld it. Splendid. Yeah, what I was saying, not touched the exhaust side, not touched the combustion chamber side. Lovely. Lovely. So that means here on this cylinder head, it's been done the 33.3% of the job, because there was 1, 2, 3 with the valve guides, 33%, and this one is the 50%. Guides and welding, and it's remaining this surface and the exhaust surface. Don't fall off. No, it won't gonna fall. It reminds me the story with the crankshafts. What's the story with the crankshafts? I said, please polish the main journals. The mains, you have to polish it. The connecting journals, you have to polish it. Here, where is the crankshaft rear seal, you need to be polished. Here, where is the damper pulley, where is the gear, where it comes here inside with the key, where it has these letters, do not touch it. Never touch it. So what we end up doing, one time they touch it, I don't know what's the reason, and after that the damper pulley was going in and out freely, and the same thing with the gear. So I cannot use the crank, okay? Then they stop polishing, fortunately they did it once. They stop polishing front here, and they stop at the same time polishing back here, where is the seal? And then when I said, you know what, gentlemen, please, polish everything except the front one, the front end, where it's coming, the damper pulley and the gear, the front end don't touch it at all. All the rest, polish it, please. I'm curious to see when we're gonna come correct. Now, like I said, back at the machine shop. Hey, lovely. It was wrapped properly. I'm giving to you that. Omar! Take a look, Mr. Omar. Take a look, Omar. I'm afraid don't put any number plate. Yeah. Let me call Omar, because I inform also Omar. I inform the office. I talk also to the gentleman from the machine shop what I want to do. And still, after all this time, that's what I get. Lovely. And I have to lap also the valves. Yeah, okay. Drop in the ocean? Yeah. Not for the exhaust. Exhaust valves are a little bit a headache. This they need 3 minutes of lapping. That's how it looks like to clean it up. Yeah, we're gonna see, we're gonna find out, right? Let's compare also the seals. Let's compare one seal. Yeah. New one on the right, old on the left, clearly. I mean, day with the night. You cannot see, you cannot compare it. This is how it's supposed to be, and not like that. Lovely. No, it's not okay, Mr. Omar. When was okay to be okay now? You remember the last time that was okay? No. I'm gonna repeat myself. I have said that 1 million times. I inform you, the office, the guy at the machine shop. I have said that again and again and again. I said, first you're gonna weld the crack cylinder head, okay? All right, they weld it also outside, no problem, it's fine, it's okay. First you're gonna weld it, then you're gonna change the guides, perfect, excellent. Yeah. And then I said, you're gonna resurface the cylinder head and the exhaust side, right? So for this, from the 4 jobs, they did the 2. Here it's 50% okay, because they didn't resurface this area and either the exhaust, all right? From this one, they put the guides, all right? There was 3 things to be done on the cylinder head. Put the new guides, all right? Resurface the exhaust, and resurface also here the combustion chamber side. Okay, so this is 33.3% fine, because they fixed the guides, but they didn't touch the surfaces. So now we have to send it back again for resurface, and then we're gonna come in 2024 after a year. Hey, lovely. Be careful, don't kill yourself. Take it out, take this shit out. No need to be here. So I removed the old seals from here. I put the new one, new valve springs, new screens, the old one in the box, and then, like I said, sending again back the cylinder heads at the machine shop. How lovely. Over and out. Then my friend, he's gonna ask me, Tassos, you received the cylinder heads from the machine shop? Yes, I did. And now I'm sending it back again.